Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new fall fashion haul for you. I ordered things online from H&M and also Zara, and at the end I'm unboxing something very special, which is my birthday present from Louis Vuitton. So if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so from Zara I only ordered two things, and those are the same exact things in two different colors, and they are a pant, a leather jogger pant. I got them in this beautiful cream color. I'm obsessed with this color, if you couldn't tell from my outfit at the moment, but I think it's so nice to have like a cream on cream with like a furry teddy coat and my new bag that I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. And this one is a long leather jogger. It goes down to my ankles, and it has this button right here and just like a zip, and it's quite baggy. The material isn't too thick, so you can wear it at that time of year perfectly, and then if it gets colder, maybe wear a pair of leggings underneath, or also some tights. It is lined with this really soft fabric, and it's super comfortable. These are $29.95 I think, and I got them in this beige. And I also got them in this black. I haven't worn the black yet, but I really like these types of pants with just like a simple t-shirt or long sleeve and then some sneakers or also boots. They also look good at the nighttime as well. If you're going out, just throw on a pair of stiletto heels and maybe a blouse and you're good to go. So I really like these, and I think they were a great find for $29.95, and I'm definitely gonna keep both pairs because I think they're very versatile for this time of year, and also you can style them with so many different tops and it always looks good and put together. And then I went to H&M, and first of all I got this blouse, which I'm really excited about. It's like a satin long sleeve blouse, and it's also this kind of creamy taupe color, and I really love this color at this time of year. This one was $19.95 and I got 15% off, so this is a really great deal. And on the topic of buying things in multiple colors, I also got the same exact top in a white. This is more like a creamy white, and this is the same material, although the sizing, oh I forgot to say sizing, so the pants were in the size 38 each. This one is the size medium, and then this one is a large because, oh this looks huge, oh maybe I don't know if that's gonna fit me, but they were out of the medium, so I picked it up in a large because it was the only size available. Small was already sold out, and then medium as well. So I thought I would give the large a try because I really like these kinds of blouses just with simple leather leggings and some boots, also like Ugg boots in uni, and just a hat and a scarf and a jacket, and then I'm good to go outside the door, and it still looks put together, but it's also really comfortable for that time of year. And these are also great for layering because you could also throw on a sweater on top, and these ones don't really crease, so that's why I wanted to pick it up. But I will have to check if this one actually fits me because this looks quite big. You can see in the try on how that's gonna look, but yeah, that's a size, maybe a size too big. Maybe I'll send it back and see, check if they have it in a medium and then order it once it's available again. They have this check for availability, so if you click that, then they'll email you once they have the size you're looking for back in stock. Because I don't know, but H&M is really bad with sizing at the moment. I wanted to buy several things that were out of stock immediately after they went live, and so I don't know if they have difficulties with orders and things like that still because of COVID. I don't know, but their things are out of stock so quickly, so you kind of have to refresh the site to check availability. But I also picked up some more from H&M. One other thing I picked up is this cute little bucket hat. In one of my other videos I actually picked this up in a pink color, and I picked up the wrong size. So this is the size XSS. So I think they only have XSS or ML. And I picked up XSS because the other one was way too large when I ordered it in the summertime. I got it in like a nude and then a pinky color, but they were both too big and I couldn't get my hands on the smaller size, and then I kind of gave up and forgot about it. But this time I got this cute bucket hat because I thought it was so cute with maybe like these leather pants, this bucket hat, and a really chunky knit, and then some boots. And I think this would be such a cute outfit, so I'm gonna model it for you. Don't mind my hair. I don't know why they're so flat at the moment, but I went to the hairdresser and I actually really like it. But yeah, I didn't blow dry my hair. That's why it looks crazy like that. But I actually tried this on already and I think it's so adorable. And I think this one is super cute for if it's raining, and I think it's a really cool accessory. This was $9.99 I think. And like I said, I got the 15% off, and I think this is a really versatile accessory. You can like throw it on with almost everything, and I think it looks always cute and pulled together and like something different. I like hats and I like styling around hats because I always think it kind of looks more chic and more daring, and not that many people actually wear hats other than like beanies and maybe like caps. So I really like these Fisher hats. I think they're super cute, and I thought I would keep this one because I don't know, I just think it's cute. You will maybe I'll insert a try on with this as well to like see how it kind of elevates your outfits, because I really think it does. So yeah, this is my next item and I really like it. Alright, now off to a coat that I got, and I got a really huge coat. It's this. It's actually really heavy and it fluffs. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, it fluffs a lot. But it's this teddy coat, and let me check really quickly how much this was. Okay, so it was $59.99 and I got the 15%, which came down to $49.71 because we also get 3% taxes back because our government kind of, I don't know, lowered our taxes for this year due to COVID, so we also get the 3% back. So yeah, I got this coat. And this is super snuggly and super warm. I already tried it on because I wanted to know if it's like a real fail. I got it in a size medium, but it's actually really oversized. But I think it's really good because I think I'm gonna wear this when it's really cold. So I'm gonna wear like sweaters underneath and then like leather leggings or some jeans and boots. So I think this coat will keep me really warm. It's this nudie color and it has this black button right here. And yeah, like you can see, I'm really obsessed with this color at the moment. I think it's super nice. It's like kind of like, I'm sorry. It's so much fluff. Okay, this kind of like champagne color, I think it's really cute. It's from the divided section and it is, let me check, so it's 100% polyester. Yeah, but I still think it will keep me warm and it just looks really nice. Like it really does look very nice. So I can't wait to wear this in the colder months. I hope we will still have some warm weather in Germany because I'm not ready for the cold. Like I really am not. And yeah, but this I'm planning to wear during November, December, and maybe January if it's not too cold, because in Germany it usually gets really cold around like end of January and February, but November, December is always like quite warm in Germany still, usually the last couple of years. So fingers crossed that this jacket will suffice. And I think this looks really nice with almost every other color in my wardrobe. So I think this will be very versatile and come into very good use. And then I have one other accessory, and I usually never buy, remember in my last haul I got these Zara boots, but I sent them back because they kind of looked too chunky on me. But I got these white boots. I don't know if that's like a real fail or looks really nice. I'm gonna check how these look. but I feel like they're gonna be like really sick. I think they're really cool. I have to style them to see if they really look good. I thought with maybe some like mom jeans or something. I don't know like if my body shape looks good with these because they're also really chunky, but I'll give them a try. These were $34.95 or something, and then I got the 15%. So quite affordable. Obviously they're not real leather, but they're only like a fashion accessory. Like I'm not planning to wear them in the depth of winter, so that's totally fine for me. But I thought just like to mix it up, something like different. I know like white boots can be really tacky, but with like the black and the black right here, I thought, yeah, they're kind of a different look. They're kind of like a Doc Martens kind of look. So yeah, I thought they were really cool and I can't wait to try them on. And then I got one special gift for my birthday, and all of my family and my friends contributed to this. And let me tell you a quick backstory, because actually a week before like 10 days before my birthday, I got a call from my SA. I've been just texting with an SA, and I've been buying a couple of items with her here and there, but I'm not like a customer that goes out and spends like thousands each month. But I buy things occasionally. Like you see on my channel, I don't buy too much like at once because I simply don't have the means to do so. But still, I think she really likes me and I really like her. So actually she called me. I couldn't answer the phone, so she texted me that she got one of these bags in stock, and I was like, no way, I can't come in today, but can you please hold it back for me until tomorrow? And she was like, okay, are you for sure gonna come? I was like, yeah, I promise, please just hold it back for me. And she's like, okay. So she held it back, and the day after I went there with my mom and then picked it up, or we went to the store. We had to stay in line a little bit, and then I picked it up, and next to me there was a lady buying loads of bags, like 3 or 4 bags, and I was like, okay, crazy. And then her sales associate kind of whispered to my sales associate like, oh, put a dust bag over the bag, because I think her client, like the lady buying loads of bags, I think she wasn't speaking German, so she was kind of like whispering like, put a dust bag like over the bag that I got, so she wouldn't see, because this bag is highly sought after still. I think it's out of stock since forever. I think it was like in stock for a couple of times during like the real depths of the pandemic, but now it's still sold out everywhere. And the bag I'm talking about, anticipation is over, I got the Nano Speedy. I'm so excited. It's super cute. It's so adorable. I've been wearing it for the last 2 days because I actually just got it on Monday. It was my birthday on October 5th, and I unboxed it on that day with all of my friends and family present, and I really love it. I'm gonna do like a what fits inside, and also kind of like comparison video with this one and maybe my Speedy, and also maybe I can borrow my friend's Neonoe as well. So we'll see. Not Neonoe, Nanonoe. So we'll see. But yeah, this is my cute little new bag. I love it. My boyfriend was actually kind of pissed when I got it, because he's like, what in the world are you gonna fit in there? And I was like, this bag is a black hole. So I'm gonna share with you in one of my next videos. So stay tuned and subscribe down below if you want to know like what fits inside, comparison, what I think about it. And yeah, like I already told you how I got it, but yeah, it's not really, I was just lucky honestly that she kind of thought of me. But yeah, I really love this bag. It's cute, and I think it looks amazing honestly with like these big coats. So cute, honestly, so cute, because it's like chunky coat and little bag, and the proportions are so odd that it's already like cool and things like that. I just wanted to share with you that at the moment it's not really packaged that nice, but it just came with this little dust bag. It says Nano Speedy monogram on the back and this little sticker, and then it came with this huge box that is actually way too big. And then it came with a ribbon, and actually the receipt for the bag I left in the store, not really on purpose, but I had to send in my mini pochette. Once I get it back, I will share the story with you of what happened, because yeah, I got some quality issues. So I gave it in, or I sent it in, and she told me that she's gonna send it to Paris and they're deciding on what to do and things like that. Okay, I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching. I really love this haul actually. I think maybe it's kind of boring, but it's also good basic clothes. So yeah, if you wanna stack up on your basic fall winter staple items, then these things are really good to check out. I will link everything I can find in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you for my next one. Bye bye!